Introducing our advanced plastic pallet welding solution, where precision engineering meets industrial strength. Safety is built into every aspect: material positioning sensors, worker protection systems, and accessible emergency stops. Our separate working and welding zones ensure operator safety while maintaining production efficiency. Designed for versatility with customizable molds for different pallet sizes. Our space-efficient configuration saves factory floor space. Precision multi-point temperature control and PLC automation ensure consistent, reliable results for high-volume production. Experience superior quality, 100% structural integrity. Without adhesives or consumables, our welded joints achieve over 70% of the base material strength, supporting loads exceeding 4 tons while maintaining excellent wear resistance.